What in the world are you doing there at the door? Huh?
Ah.
Meow. Why?
What,
Meow.
buddy?
Do you want your food? Is that what you want? You want your food? Meow. You gonna talk to me today? I put your snacks all in here. You want your snack? Quit circling me. You ain't no vulture. Are you a vulture? You got better manners than that. You ain't no vulture. Really? You want me to put your food down so you can eat it? Yeah, right there? Okay. See, she does talk to me. She just has a different way of speaking that we do. I love you all. My best wishes, and may God bless you abundantly. Be honest and lift one another up. Bye for now.